Hey guys, this is Joe or George, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can move our emails from the promotions tab and into your primary tab. Gmail is a unique animal compared to other email providers, and depending on the subject and content of our emails, they can sometimes appear in the promotions tab, as you can see from my screen. Okay. I went ahead and created a demo email, sent it to my personal email address with the subject of deals and promotions. You can see that Google right off the back, they flagged it as a promotional type of email. And what ends up happening is that this email won't be shown in your primary tab. It's going to be shown in the promotions tab. And 9 out of 10 times, users and subscribers, they miss that email. They usually contact us and say, hey Joe, we're not getting your emails, and we go ahead and take a look at our dashboard and we can see that the email has been delivered, but we have no visibility on knowing whether this email ended up in the primary tab, whether it ended up in the social tab, or whether it ended up in the promotional tab. So in order for both of us to circumvent this issue so that all of our emails will get delivered under the primary tab, what you need to do is it's very simple. All you need to do is, let's go ahead and use this email as an item to test. So what we're going to do here is we're going to click on we're actually going to click into the email, okay? And let me actually zoom out so I can see this option. Yeah. You're going to see like 3 dots, right? I want you to click on these 3 dots and you want to filter this message. Let's create a filter. And what we're going to do is we're going to check some of these boxes. Specifically, we're going to check this box just to ensure that this email doesn't end up in your spam folder. It doesn't hurt to check this box even though you whitelisted the email, just as a double precaution. You also want to check this box, always mark it as important. And this is probably the most important box you need to check. Now, when you check this box, you need to tell Gmail, from this point forward, I want you to just deliver all emails coming from Cubitize.com into my primary tab. Okay? It's really important for you to check this box, by the way. Otherwise, emails will still be delivered into the promotional tab depending on the content and subject of the email. And one last thing, we want to apply this filter to 26 matching conversations. This number might be different depending on how many emails you've received from us. But what this basically means is you're telling Gmail, for all the past emails that I got from Cubitize.com and ended up in the promotional tab, I want you to now move those emails into the primary tab. So let's go ahead and check that box. Once you do that, click on Create Filter. And what's going to happen is that all these emails should now be moved into the primary tab. See? This email was first under the promotional tab. Now, since we told Gmail that we don't want it to be there, we want it to be under the primary tab, they automatically moved it from the promotional tab and into the primary tab. And just as a point of clarification, again, any future emails that you receive from Cubitize.com, whether it's coming from the news, the support domain, even if our subject of the email is like deals and promotion, Google is going to deliver it under the primary tab and not the promotion tab. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If you haven't done so already, please make sure you watch our video on how to whitelist our emails in Gmail so that they don't end up in your spam folder. Lastly, if you're using the Gmail app on a mobile device, we actually have 2 video tutorials on how you can whitelist our emails and move emails from the promotions tab and into the primary inbox tab specifically for mobile users. So please make sure you watch those videos. Thanks for watching this video, and wherever you are in this world, may you have a blessed and fruitful day.